In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily share a post on Facebook. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Facebook app and then just search for a post you would like to share. Once you find one, all you have to do is just tap right here where it says share, and it will give you a bunch of different options how you can share that post. So guys, first off, we can share that post to our feed. To share it to our feed, just tap right here at share now. If we tap add feed, we'll be able to change it to friends, timeline, group, or Facebook page. However, there are some different options here, like send in Messenger, so we are able to share that post directly to the Messenger app, and that's how we can share that post with our friends. We can tap add our friend in here. Also, we can check mark multiple users at the same time. And then if we tap add send separately, that will send 2 messages to our friends with that post. Also, from here, if we tap add share, we'll be able to use any app from here to share that post. We can send it via WhatsApp. We can also add this post to our story. We can add that to page. We can send it via Telegram, Snapchat, and also we are able just to copy the link to that post to share it manually. Now it says copied, and then we are able to open up any social media platform, any messenger. Let's say I would like to share it on WhatsApp, so I'm just gonna enter a conversation with myself, and then in that way we can paste the link to the post we would like to share. That's how you can easily share a post on Facebook. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.